Okay, so today we're going to cook potatoes cooked in beer. And what we're going to need for two persons is about 600 grams potatoes, 3 onions, 1 cup or 200 grams of cream, 1 glass of beer, about 200 milliliters, 100 grams of cheese, salt, pepper, and some freshly ground nutmeg. And that's all for a simple, amazing dish. Step 2, after you've sliced the 3 onions and cut up the potatoes, the onions get sauteed in a pan until they take on a light glaze. So after you've sauteed your onions and they're finished, simply take out of the pan and mix with the potatoes. Okay, so for preparing, just do one pile of potatoes first, and then in alternating layers, potatoes and onions, like this. So for the sauce, we're going to mix the beer, which is the main ingredient for taste here. Beer and the nutmeg is basically what makes the taste of this dish. And then you can add some salt, pepper, of course, according to taste. And some freshly ground nutmeg. Last, you add the cheese, stir, and then simply add to the oven dish. And when you're finished with the sauce, you simply pour it over the potatoes and onions and mix well before you put it in the oven. You put this in the oven for about 90 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And of course, it tastes best with a beer.